Welcome to BizAIO. In this video, to begin, click on the report section from the left-hand menu, then select Sales Report. In the Sales Report section, you'll see three options in the top row: Sales Report, Lead Report, and Deal Report. First, select the time duration for which you want to analyze sales data. You can also narrow down the report using the client filter to see sales specific to that client. Right now, there is no data available in the sales report. Simply click the export icon to download the report as an Excel file. Next is the lead report section. Here, you'll see two options: agent report and lead report. In the agent report, you can select a time range to analyze the data or search by agent name. View an agent's lead data and follow-ups, then export the report from here if needed. Next is the lead report. Select the pipeline and year to view leads by stage. You can also export the report from here. Monthly leads data, won, lost leads, leads for future, and other lead stages are shown here. Next, deal report section. In this section you can see the two option: agent report and deal report. In the agent report, you can select a time range to analyze the data or search by name. You can export agent data from here. Right now, there is no deal agent report available. Next is the deal report. Select the pipeline and year to view deals by stage. Monthly deals, won, lost deals, average deal value, total deal value, deals to be closed, and the value at each stage are shown here. You can also export the report from here. And that's how easy it is to access and filter sales reports in BizAIO. Whether you are tracking payments or auditing revenue, everything is just a click away.